subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
The year ahead isn't going to be easy for the LG, but company is doing the right thing by rebranding its main series. Overall, the mobile division's been slumping aimed increased competition and thus sales have been less than the ideal. So, the company is setting out to rename its flagship and sway consumers from the two more popular brands dominating the industry. LG appears interested in borrowing heavily from the iPhone X, Apple's latest iPhone that's arguably the most popular phone around today. What you are seeing are the concept renders of the LG G7 made by the Ben Geskin in collaboration with the Techno Buffalo. The render aren't official but rather made with the LG G7 leaks and rumors in mind. The upfront of the LG G7 will have a no touch at the top of an edge-to-edge display. The bottom bezel does still look like a bit of chain, but the top bezel has been shaved down to go right up to the edge. The no touch is there to house the camera and the other sensor, like what Apple and Essential have done with their no touch. The company plans on placing the notification bar to the left and right so users get even more screen real estate. The backside features a dual camera setup with dual tone LED flash as well as a laser autofocus. Below all of that is LG's signature home button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner. The specifications all but confirm for the higher end phone includes a 6-inch OLED display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 SoC, up to 6GB of RAM and up to 128GB of internal storage. The LG G7 skipped the MWC 2018 and according to the latest report, it is going to be delayed until June. Currently, it's expected that LG will make an announcement this spring, but the company has yet to confirm anything. So, what do you think of LG G7 so far? Do let us know in the comment section below. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. And for more tech updates, subscribe to our channel TechSole blog. Thank you and see you guys in the next one.